Hello everyone, good to see you again with a new video on how to customize your Tktby account. Click on your profile in the top right corner and click on My Profile. Click on the Edit button. Enter your page URL and click the plus button to add a profile photo from your computer. Then click on Update. You can see that your profile photo is updated. Now go to the left side and scroll down, then go to Settings. Then click on Theme Setting. Click on Upload Photo and select the favicon icon from your computer. Do the same for uploading a logo. After that, click on Upload. Favicon and logo are added to your organization account. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the Tktby for more updates.